Your credit report and score are two of the most important things in your entire life. Let me explain. Not long ago, a credit report used to be nothing more than a very small file that was used only if you needed to apply for credit. Other than your past loans, there was very little information on a credit report. If you paid cash for everything, you might go your entire life without ever having or even needing a credit report. But all of that changed by the late 1980s because of two things. First, all of the hundreds of small credit bureaus had been either replaced or absorbed by the big three, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Second, the three credit bureaus had adopted a revolutionary new scoring system to help lenders better determine risk. That scoring system was FICO. Fast forward 3 decades to today, credit reports have evolved into much more than just a history of our loans. That's because most of our financial actions find their way onto our credit reports. They've become a living document that follows us wherever we go. Because they contain so much information about our lives and the decisions we've made, good and bad, they've become something much more than a credit report. They have become character reports. In fact, some financial experts refer to them as adult report cards. So why is this incredibly important? The answer is our credit report tells a story about us. And who wants to know our story? Who's looking at our credit report? Well, for starters, 72% of employers check credit before hiring or promoting. Then there's your bank, insurance company, utility provider, mortgage lender, landlord, credit card issuers, and that's just to name a few. My credit report is the story of how I've honored the promises that I've made to those who have trusted me with credit. Your credit report tells your story. If our story isn't so good, that will limit our options in employment, promotion, housing, and access to credit for the things that we need. Now, whether we like it or not, agree with it or not, credit reports are now character reports, and they tell our story. And that story can and will determine the options or lack of options we have in life. This is why great credit isn't an option anymore. Great credit is mandatory. Fortunately, repairing your credit can help to rewrite history to tell a better story of you when negative accounts are deleted from your credit report. That, along with great credit habits that I'm going to teach you in this course, it's really not hard to turn challenge credit into great credit.